I'm going to make a barbecue sauce. So this is my barbecue sauce. So ketchup, tomato ketchup, light soy sauce, around 2 tablespoons, and the ketchup around 1/4 cup. Ground black pepper, just a dash of ground black pepper, garlic powder, add a little bit of salt, sugar, 1.5. Squeeze of lemon juice. Then add a little bit of oil. Around 1 tablespoon of oil. Then mix. Now you have a barbecue sauce, so it's ready. We can plate the other side. So if you are interested in this barbecue sauce recipe, just feel free to comment or check it out on the description below. I write all the ingredients out there. There you go, and you have a barbecue sauce, so it's